Had to get the audio right. Alright, so this week I'm gonna be focusing uh more on the forex side than the stock side, just because we got holidays in the week and we got a New Year's, so I'm not trying to and theta. I'm not trying to deal with theta too much, so I'm more so gonna be focused on, but focus on these right here. This could possibly be looking good for a buy opportunity, possibly. I'll wait a little bit though. I like to see a little bit more green, maybe. A little bit more green. You know what I'm saying? Come back down, create one of the, yeah. Wait on that. Is it EJPY? It's from last week. So let's delete that. I'm gonna start doing a little journal, and for all my trades for the week, on Saturday I'm gonna start putting them in the journal and learning from them. I missed this one. I was waiting on it too. I was looking at it like last night. I was waiting. I was waiting for it. I was gonna see if it come back down here. If it came back down here, I was definitely gonna get in. But it did this and then shot up and then come back down here. So I ain't get the opportunity to get in. But boy, would have been in the money. Had to been some money. But it's okay, because it'll be more opportunities. Probably get another pullback at some point. You know what I'm saying? Maybe. Probably get another maybe. It might just take off. Like, you know what I'm saying? But if we get some pullback, I definitely get in for sure. That's that. AUD cat. Look like to the downside. That's last week. That ain't even last week. I don't know when that is. Let's see the daily. Look to be at the bottom or something, possibly. Boom, boom. Yeah, I could see this actually continuing this way, possibly. But at the same time, we are at this right here. But we also got this right here, you know what I'm saying? Whoa. Run it back. What's the weekly, daily. So yeah, it could potentially be doing anything right now. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, not too interested. But let me go through and look at all the stuff daily. Yeah, thinking this about to continue to the upside potentially. Nah, it came right up to here. Yeah, most definitely I'll be waiting for a pullback on the 4 hour of some short to then take it to the upside next week. I ain't even look at SPY. SPY creating this bottom out right here for the daily. Hour. Yeah, I would really say it's probably going to the this way for a little bit, but I'm gonna wait for next week. Go done pull back crazy. Done pull back crazy. So I'm gonna be waiting to see what that do next week. JPM, bound. Downside potential this way. My charts are inverted, so it's gonna be backwards what I say and how it look. But downside potential. I'm the coldest. And if y'all hear me saying something during the stream, it's cause I started a little mantra with myself to help myself get better mentally in all aspects. And I just be telling myself I'm the coldest. So yeah, I would definitely say this is probably about to have a pullback. To where only God knows. Yeah, only God knows. I'm gonna wait on that for next week. Deck starting to go to the upside. We done passed this and then we came up down. Next week I'm definitely gonna be looking at buys on this potentially. I would like to see it close. I would like to see this week close below here. Or maybe sometime I might get in sometime during this week for buys on deck. It depends. I gotta see if we pass this point right here and close below it on the 4 hour. And then I'll potentially be looking at buys. But let's go to MS. Try to shit like hour out. Alright. So we got that. Could potentially, we'll see. See how this day ends. I really would like to wait for a pullback. A pullbackerton. So this is like our route. Boom. Daily probably gonna end green. It's probably gonna come back down here and then bounce up. That's what it look like it's on the trajectory to do. But it also could potentially just create bound and then mean to keep putting you last. Try to shit you like I rock. Boy, did I put? Come on, man. Look at that. Look at that. I called it. I said, shh, shh. It ain't come right to my thing, but I said it probably gonna come down, come up. You know what I'm saying? Come down, come up. We still potentially, yeah, I can see it come down. Wait on that. IBM. Oh, this ice. Ice, we already got that on lock. We already in that. AVGO. I would say red. I would say great red. Red potential. This old. That out. I don't mean to keep putting you last. Trying to shit like I rock. I talk on my phone cause it's top. Boom, boom. I would say red for this week for AZN. I would be looking at, I mean, we are in this trend to the upside, but we potentially creating this relative double bottom, and it don't really do that until it wants to start wanting to reverse a bit. Well, except right here, but even then it's still reverse. It's probably, if it do, it probably pull back up to here and then drop. I'm gonna be watching it. AutoZone. Didn't I have me one on O'Reilly? Yeah. To the 16th. Boom. Boom. Creating consolidation. Looks like it's about at one of these points right here to then start heading back up potentially. Talk on my phone with this job. Boom, boom, boom. Yeah, this is some I don't know land. MU. This thing going crazy. Probably gonna create consolidation. We'll see though. Apple. Starting to don't probably come back up to come back this way potentially to. Oh, it already did it. You got a wick. But yeah, come back up. Probably finish the day up here. We get a close below here. I ain't gonna lie. I'm probably give me some buys in potentially because I don't know Apple. I don't. We'll see. They already burnt me once when I was. I don't like dealing with that theta, bro. Especially this week. We got that holiday in between. I'm probably just leave it alone. Pan W. Looking good for the buys. I would say buys. Boom. Came down below here. Came back up. Yeah, I would definitely say buy. I might get into Pan W. I might get into Pan W for buys. Got good leverage. What's this? 187. That's like $1. I think I'm gonna get into Pan W. And we got double top on the 2-hour too. I think I'm gonna get in for buys on Pan W, man. Man, my O'Reilly is down $17. I'm about to just get out of O'Reilly, bro. But let me look for Pan W. For this thing start going crazy on me. 2nd of January, buys 192.5. I'm in. Let me see. Go green with it. Go green with it. $29. Oh, got in. Let me put got in. Got in. 957. Bow. And then when I'm the expiration. Expires on the 2nd. Let's see, man. It's the 2 hours, so yeah, we get above here. I'm no longer gonna be interested though. Come above here, I'm not gonna be interested anymore. But we gonna let that play out. We're gonna see what it do. I'm not in for much, so, and I got a 182 call, or what was it? 192.5. 92.5. That's down here. Let's see what it do. Let's see what it do. Let's see what it does. Oh, we got this head and shoulders with the relative double top. Boom, boom, boom. Yeah. liking how that's looking. We'll come back to that though. Let me put this all the way right here because I'm in it. Nah, I'm not gonna get out of O'Reilly. But it's crazy. I'm down like $17. I might just get out of O'Reilly, bro, because I don't want to. I don't know. I kind of just don't want to hold it for real. But at the same time, I feel like I got in at a good spot. But it's going to have to. That theta killing it. It expires on the 16th. When is that? That's 3 weeks from now. Theta shouldn't be killing it like that, bro. That's why I think I'm just about to get out, bro. Because it look like they just don't want niggas to make money on that. But look, Pan W, Rut Roll. See what it do. It could potentially just be a bam, 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 bam. We'll see. We shall see. We shall see. I'll probably just go ahead and get out of O'Reilly. I don't really want to deal with it. I don't want to be waiting that long. But 82. Hold your tongue, cause you might say something. I'm the coldest, I'm the coldest, I'm the coldest, I'm the coldest, I'm the coldest. Yep, just got out of O'Reilly. Delete these. Clone. Text out. 1223, 1229. 2. 10. Right. And if you do, then you might lose your life tonight. My big brother told me never let a nigga love me. If I don't, he'll never let a nigga touch me. Nigga better not come half stepping. But we got something that'll speed you up. And watch them dollar points each up. And what? You can't touch me. Pan W, O'Reilly. What Pan W doing? What we 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 doing? Nah, this look like it definitely wanna go green, bro. But it also looked like it definitely, from the 4 hour, looked like it definitely want to go red too. So we'll see. We shall see. We shall see. We shall see. We shall see. Should I put? I put the expiration date. Then target 192.5. 2.5. And Clorox coming down or coming up. We looking for it to come back down to somewhere right here. Now I'm gonna bust it. I'm gonna bust it across his head. I'm gonna bust it across his head, man. Man, I'm cold, dang.
And we are back with the ones and twos on the B's Booze and the B to B's.
Alright. Gold. See, this happened to pull back on like a major scale. It don't. I'll be waiting for that. Waiting for it to go back to the green. Bing, 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 bing. But the weekly come out, bro. This is too much on here. See the weekly coming back up here. Potentially. But this is the real higher, lower, high. These are just on the weekly little mini stops. You know what I'm saying? So 3 day. Oh yeah. Yeah. Lower high right here. Lower high right here. Bam, bam. Daily. Potentially start seeing some accumulation around here. But it got all the way up here on the 3 day, so We'll see what that do. I'm gonna go ahead. I'm gonna use this one as the one I'm looking on for new stuff since I got out. Gold. Hey, yeah. Well, I was on Pan W. That's where I stopped at. RTX. See what they're doing. Pulling back. That's all that from last week. So delete all that. Boom, 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 boom. You know what I'm saying? Potentially, I don't think it's. I don't think it's gonna pass this lower high. So start seeing some. Yeah, I'm gonna be waiting for that. Ain't gonna lie. Look, Starbucks to the green bean. I definitely put a buy on this too. Let me see. Damn, what Pan W doing? I'm down $20. Oh my God, we blowing past this right here. That's not good. Looks like we want to continue this to the upside potentially. Hold your tongue, cause you might say something I might not like. And if you do, then you just might lose your life. If I don't, you never let her. You better not come half stepping. Cause we got something that'll speed you up. I don't know, bro. Could potentially keep going to the other side. Look at the weekly. I mean, yeah, this could have been a little blip in existence to keep continuing this way. I hope not. 3-day. Oh no. No. The 3-day look too good, bro. 3-day look too good, man. Come on, man. Don't do me like that. I'm gonna continue to watch it. But yeah, Starbucks going crazy. I'll probably be looking to get into this for buys. How many? When is $1.86? You touch me, then I come half stepping. Cause we got something that'll speed you up. And watch them holler upon each other. You can't touch me. Dun, 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 dun. I would be looking at sales potentially. TM. Yeah, I'll be looking at sales, me personally. Dun, yeah. Which means to the this way for me. You know what I'm saying? Let's go back, look at Pan W. What you doing? What you doing? Man, you trying to get me up out of there. But yeah. Dun. This could potentially be a overall reversal to the upside. Let me look at the weekly. Yeah, it does like to do that. I don't know. I like to see it pass here though. Get past here. Start doing a little something like that. Bam, bam, bam. You can't touch me. So I advise you don't try to fuck me. Yeah, yeah. I'll be looking at buys on this. Yup, got that bam, bam, bam. Also got this right here though. So it could potentially be sales. But look at the daily. Bam, bam, bam. Three lines right there. Back to back. I'll definitely be looking at buys. Me personally. For right now. But it is creating a curvature. Probably come back up to here. Then head down potentially. Or just keep heading down. Or just bounce off that. We'll see. We shall see. I'm gonna take note of that. Which is WMB. I don't even. Yeah, I don't know. I did that off the weekly, cause you know. But it could potentially be doing anything right now, so I'm gonna just leave it alone. Leave it alone. Look at Walmart. Not too interested. Cat. Could potentially be in this part. Let's see. Yeah, we haven't had an actual pullback in a while, so which is something like this or this or no, so could either be creating consolidation or having a pullback or consolidation to then create a pullback. So I'm not too interested in that right now. Uber. Boom, boom. Look like it want to come back to God knows where to then potentially keep heading up. Well, down. So I'll be waiting on a pullback. Yes, sir, buddy. Shop. Look what I did, man. I told you. I'm waiting on that pullback. Waiting on that pullback. Come up to here. I'm busting it across the head. I'm busting them across the head. You Feel me? What's Pan W doing? Shh, going stupid. Going stupid. About to have to get out in a minute. I'm waiting to that close, cause it got me like that last time. Yeah, you gonna have to close for me, buddy. You got me like that last time. I'm not doing it. So I'm gonna have to wait for that close. But Pan W look like it wanna go stupid to the downside. Daily. City. Start seeing some of this. I'll definitely be looking at buys. Or if we see something like this, bam, bam, definitely be looking at buys. Definitely be looking at buys. To me personally. But we'll see. That one still got to show me something. You know what I mean? Still got to show me something. That's big boy money. I ain't worried about that. Ooh, a net. Yeah. I see you like to pull back a little bit sometimes. You wait for a pull back to potentially head to the upside. That'd probably be a play. Or what you want to do. You tell me. You show me what you want to do. Up. TX. Potentially downside potential. This way. But also upside potential. Hold on. Yeah, I have to wait on that. We in consolidation right now overall anyways. You know what I'm saying? I have to wait till we enter one of these, or one of these, or one of these. I have to wait on that a little bit. Yeah. Yup. Oh, that's the weekly. Yeah, but yeah, either way, sure. Daily. TJX. Delete all that. That's from last week. Boom, 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 boom. Boom, boom. I think this is the overall, but it's the momentum is slowing, so could potentially start, you know, to the downside a lot. LRCX. That's from a long time ago. Whoop. Whoop, 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 whoop. I would like to see a pullback, but if it come up to here and stall out and we get a green, I'm busting it for the green. Busting his head open. Alright. Hood looking good for sales. I'm gonna be honest. But also could potentially see this right here as a possible point of contention. But I think it's gonna continue to sell. Came to here, checked this point in, checked in right here, and then shoo, off to the moon, baby. Off to the moon.
Telemundo.
Alright. What we doing, Pan? Still trying to get me up out of there, I see. Google. Downside potential. We done came back. I would definitely be looking at sales on this. Hold up. I would definitely be looking at sales. Let me see what Google doing. They cost 100, 320. Oh wait, I'm looking at sales. What am I talking about? 307. Yeah, see, sales even cost more than buys, so that's probably for a little bit. 305. I'm gonna wait on it though. I'd rather get in for buys on this than anything. So I'm gonna wait on it. I'll be looking at this look like a strong reversal right here. So this could be a left head, right shoulder to potentially, but overall, I'll still be looking at buys. If this come below here and then come back up, and I'll definitely be looking at buys then. But as of right now, it's on iffy grounds, so I'm not too interested. But it do look nice though. Like it's about to start creating what I want to see. What Pan W doing? Pan W, what Ice doing? Ice, Pan W. Came back a little bit. Visa. I think we're starting to create this right here. But we could potentially see something like this. So, ooh, that'll hurt my soul, boy. I'll be mad. I wouldn't be mad. It'd be what it is, but yeah, I'm gonna be waiting because it could potentially come all the way back up to here. I'm gonna be waiting to see what it do. It's probably gonna have like a really big push to the green if it do go green. This I'm definitely wait on the pullback. Definitely wait on that. GE. Yeah. Got boom. Then it starts going down. Boom. Boom. This could potentially keep going green. I could see this keep going. I could see this turn back green. So this little thing right here. We'll see. That's going green. Clorox, we already got that. Amazon. Creating this right here. I could see a big green momentum for this week, or potentially a pullback to then go green. Something like this right here. No, I'll be watching. I'll be watching that for. Look at the weekly, where we at? Oh, we at the bottom of price action. But it's not really a. We'll see, man. We'll see. I can see it. I can see it finishing green. Oh yeah, we got the 3-day double top. Look. Boom, boom. Do something like that. Come down, dude. Then come back. Yeah. I can see this finishing green for sure. I can see this week finishing green for Amazon. Pull back up to here maybe. And I might be interested. Maybe. Netflix. That stuff old. You know what I'm saying? We get a green drop below here, I'm gonna be interested in buys. But as of right now, sheesh. That's a deep pullback. This is COVID. So that ain't really nothing. We at the top of this right here. We near this previous lower high. So we get a green, like I said, on the daily. Get some greens below 3-day. Grain consolidation up here. Daily. Consolidating heavy. Yeah, we get a green push, like a big green push below here. That'll show me all I need to see. All I need to see. Dope. J&J looking like it's about to continue to the upside. Let me delete all that. Potentially getting a big push, yeah. Yeah. Oh, I might get into J&J too. Should I wait for the close of the 4-hour, bro? Yeah, I think I'll 212. Could I see it getting to where 212 at? 212 all the way down here. Could I see it getting there by the end of the week? Possibly, but we got that freaking holiday. I'm gonna wait next week on this one, bro. But I would like to get in buys. I'm gonna put a marker. Just say woulda got in. Woulda got in if it was a regular week. But with the holiday, I ain't even finna risk it, bro. I'm already risking paying W. Woulda got in. But holiday. Holiday and week. Risky pan W. It looked like it want to take me out of there. They're trying to get me gone, man. What Ice doing? I think I'm gonna get out of Ice. I might just not do the super long ones, bro. Yeah, I just don't even want to be in it no more. I'm gonna go ahead and close it out. Yep, I'm out. I took an L, which is crazy, bro. It's crazy. Theta, I hate Theta, bro. That'd be crazy. This day just do something like this. That'd be fucked up. But it'd be cool. I ain't tripping. It'll be what it is. It'll be what it is. I'm still in my phase of really just learning how to. I'm getting the markets down. So it's really just becoming about learning the ins and outs of profitability. You know what I'm saying? Like when to trade and when not to trade. $29. I was in that a long time though. I was in there since the 16th. That Theta boy. Let me put why I got out so I could write it in my book later. I got out because didn't want to deal with Theta. Deal with Theta and just tired of being in it. Holding so long. Tired of holding so long. Because they didn't want to deal with Theta and just tired of holding so long. I should have did that with the other ones that I put the reason why I'm getting in, why I get out. You know what? I'm gonna put why I got in on this one. Why in? Let me remember why I got into this one. Well, the daily, created double top on the daily, week, 3-day. Okay, yeah. Weekly is at the top of previous lower high. Weekly near previous lower high with a green form candle. Candle daily. Oh wait, 3-day. 3-day. Oh shoot, we still got a day in, but it's still starting to show signs. Well, yeah, it still gotta close. So that could have just potentially been a blip to continue to the upside. Something like this, or nah, that's the opposite. But the opposite way. You know what I'm saying? This something like this, but the opposite way. Just create a wick, come wick out, and then head this way. But the weekly, we're at the top of it. We're near this, so, and it's doing it near this. 3-day rounding out. Let me put that. 3-day rounding out, but hasn't closed. Candle for confirmation. Daily. Daily rejection from surpass previous low, higher low, and also got a rejection candle from it. Surpassed previous higher low and got rejection candle from it. I put form it. From it. 4 hour. 4 hour is in downtrend with rejection from previous lower high. 4 hour, well, uptrend. 4 with rejection lower high, and I'm gonna put it like that. We're gonna leave it at that. Leave it at that. Lower high. Boom, 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 boom. So that's 4. We'll see though. We'll see what it do. J&J. Look at GS going WS. Look at this double bottom. Double bottom. Double the bottom. Double the bottom. Double the bottom. Yeah, I'll wait. Cause I only really want to go green on this one, so I'll wait till we start showing signs of something like that. You know, and look at that big push, bam, ooh, bam, ooh, 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 ooh. Yeah, I'll wait for a major pullback and then probably get in. Oh, that's the 4 hour. I'm looking at the 4 hour. Look at the daily, still double bottom. Potential pullback to God knows where. Yeah. What's this? Nike pulling back to God knows where. Yeah, I'm gonna wait for a big pullback on that. Let me look at the weekly. Look at that weekly. Bam. See how it moves. Yeah. I'm gonna wait for a major pullback and hit it to downside. 3 day. Oh yeah, see the 3 day show it clear. Bam, bam, bam. Potential pullback to God knows where to continue to the upside. I mean downside, whichever way you want to see it. Pan W, what we doing? Pan W, what we doing? Shh, trying to get me up out of there. Alright, that's cool. That's cool. Next week, it ain't gonna happen though. Up, we passed that little thing. Could potentially see a pullback either to here or to somewhere in here. But look at the weekly. Well, the weekly, we ain't surpassed this. This the real lower high, so. And then it's coming down. It could be doing anything right now, so it's in a peculiar spot. I'll just wait. Wait on that one. Showing rejections near this previous higher low. But that's not the overall boom, boom, boom. So could keep going right on past it, but showing rejections near here. Bam, bam, double bottom as well. Whoop, 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 whoop. So could start heading to the downside, upside, whatever you want to call it. Whichever way you want to see it. In the real market, it's just the downside. So I'll just say the downside. NVIDIA. What's Pan W doing? Sheesh. Got 2 hours. Got 2 hours, bro. We doing on a weekly. Daily kind of looks scrambled right now. Weekly looks, I mean, it could be in this. I would say it's looking green. Looking like it might bounce off of this right here. Came past this. But we also bouncing off this right here. I'll wait. I'll definitely wait to see how this week end. And then next week, if we get if it closed green, I'll be looking at buys. 3 day, bam, 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 close below here, so that's a good sign. But we haven't closed below here, so. Or above in the actual market terms, or how the actual market would see it. AMD. Dang, how many weeks was that? That's from April to now. April to December, January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, December. 8 months. 8 months to get, oh, that's more than double. But if you got in up here at 86, got out at 250, that's triple. That's 300% returns. Sheesh. I know somebody did it. Bro. Somebody got in up here and got out right here. Somebody did it, bro. But right now, creating this curvature to potentially head back, keep heading to the, yeah. I'll definitely be looking at sales on AMD right now, bro. I'll definitely be looking at sales. because we look like we need a pull. We're in the pullback on the overall, potentially too. Potentially, like I said, potentially, but because it could also do this right here, just fake a nigga out right here. You know what I'm saying? But yeah, I'll be looking at sales, not passing. Starting to. I'll be looking at sales, bro. But I'm not. I don't want to get in anything else. I'm already, man. Pan W trying to get me out of there, bro. Pan W trying to get me out of there, bro. They doing me dirty. Sellers are winning. Sellers are winning. Yep, this week probably gonna end super red. Unless it just come up here. Unless it just stall out and do the whole stall out up here. Then next week come down here. That would suck. But at the same time, if it do, then next week I'm gonna just be prepared and I'm gonna get in. Loss is part of the game, my boy. As long as you win more than you lose, that's what matters. Profitability. But we got this double top on the daily. Came down, came up, bow. I guess I probably should have waited for something like this, because it does move like that once it goes into an uptrend. Could have waited for a red, then bam, pull back, bam. Red, bam, pull back, bam. Red, then go. Red, boom, boom, came up above, still came down, boom, could have got in right here possibly, boom, or right here, boom, 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 red, bam, bam, bam. Whew. So I'm be waiting. Dang, bruh. They really trying to get me up out of there. They really finna go red, like super red. This finna go super red. This finna go super red. This finna go stupid. I don't care, bro. I'm still waiting. I'm still waiting on that for you. Nah, bro. Dang, bro. This finna go super red. That's crazy. That's crazy. That's crazy. I hope it just wick out. But it don't look like it want to do that. Ooh. Don't look like it want to do that. AMD already done got some more red since I done last seen it. Well, SPY is trying to go red too. So that is also a big contender. A big factor. SPY is looking like it want to go red too. So. But yeah. I'll see. We'll see, man. Spike to continue red. Let me look at the daily. Look at the weekly. Spike to continue red. Yeah. Could have just did something like that to continue. Come up here, create a double top, or just stall out. We'll see, man. Damn, bro. See, the 3-day look completely different now. That's what I'm saying, bro. That close of that candle, it always be getting me, man. the close of the candle always be getting me. I gotta wait. I gotta start being patient, more patient, more patient. That's what I gotta. I gotta keep that in my head, bro. More patient. But yo, I'm still gonna wait for that close though. I'm not. You're not getting me again. I already done got wicked out like how many times? You're not getting me again, bro. I'm gonna wait for that close, and then I'm gonna get out. Did exactly what I said it was gonna do, bro. Doing exactly what I said it could possibly do. Came back up here. I might get into this for buys. Let me see. Weekly. Well, the weekly could come all the way back up to here. I'm gonna wait. I'm gonna wait till next week. Damn, Pan W. You trying to do it to me, bro. Bruh. I'm still waiting on the close, bro. I don't care. Even though it's probably about to go super red. I don't care. I'm waiting on the close. I'm done getting wicked out, bro. And it needs to work both ways too. When I'm getting in, wait for the close. Cause yeah, the 4-hour looked good. The daily looked good. But the 3-day did not. 3-day wasn't closed yet. Yeah, I'm just wait on that close. I'm wait on that close. I'm wait on that close. BJ. See, this could just be consolidation right here to continue to the this way. I'm gonna wait on this one too. I'm gonna wait. I'm gonna be looking at it. Boop. Starting to yeah, this will move like that. So well, actually, this one pretty consistent. Come back up to here. Yeah, I'm gonna be looking at buys. That's really a next week play though. I'm gonna be looking at buys potentially next week for boot PG. Cause she'd come all the way back down to here, but also couldn't. I'm gonna wait. 3-day right here. Starting to curve right here to potentially keep coming down a bit. I need to see like a double bottom from right here. Then I could potentially, start looking at buys. See some buy action. Costco. This the yeah, previous low, higher low. Overall, this is like a minor structure, but in the major structure right here, let me zoom out a little bit. Yeah, see that short, 3 day short, bam, bam. Having to pull back to God knows where. This it could just go right here and just continue up from right there, but I highly doubt it. I think it is it all well it did pass this right here, but I think it has to come back further past this right here. But it also might not. But I think it does. What Pan W doing? Still going stupid. It's crazy. This is what the AMD doing. Create momentum to the downside. See, the one I get in, it's you gotta love it. You gotta love it. But that's my fault. Because it was iffy. But it also wasn't at the same time. It was looking good for green. So it just happened like that sometimes. Be like that. Even the 2 hour, well, even the 2 hours still gotta come past here. But that's crazy. That's a crazy candle right there. I'm pretty sure. Yeah. 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 I'm probably out of there on this one. We'll see. Ooh. CRM. This one move kind of crazy. Monthly up, breaking this, came up to previous higher low, didn't surpass it. But I guess it did a little bit. Did a little bit. But that ain't nothing. It do that. You know what I'm saying? Look at this one. Surpass it a little bit to. You know what I'm saying? So definitely next I'll probably be looking at 2 days left too. Yeah. Did this one create a wick? Can't even see it, bro. Get a little bit more clarity. Which one was I looking at? Oh, this one. We create a little wick, so potentially see it come back up to probably test this point, and then head back to the green, or come up here to where all this madness is, where it kept stopping at right here. Left head, right shoulder, then head to the green. We'll see. We'll see. That's gonna be a long time though. What's Pan W doing? Man, I hope this 2 hour don't close. I hope it close like right at it, and then we get like a big green that comes going crazy to the down. But I don't foresee that happening because the 4 hour looks stupid. The 4 hour looks stupid. And I don't see it creating a wick right here to then. But it could. I just don't see it happening. I just don't see it happening. What is this? Duolingo. lingo. I'm gonna need to see juke. Start seeing some greenery. But it's near previous higher low. I mean, it's near the top. It's near this right here. And it's near this right here. So but that's a left head, right shoulder for your noggin. Damn, my business. They're trying to treat me like a minute. They're trying to turn me down. Ooh, sheesh. Where you been? Shoot, man. What you mean? How I reply to a message? I don't know. You said, damn, where you been? Shoot, I been, man. What you mean? I'm here every day. I'm here every day, man. 9 to 5. Every day on the weekdays. On the weekends, you know what I'm saying? But I'm gonna start. I'm gonna go live once I do my journal too on the weekend. Now then I'm starting a little journal thing, but on the weekdays, yeah, this mainly gonna be the weekdays. You're starting to pull back a little bit. Is it gonna create a wick? I would love to see it wick. Just the last 23 minutes. Just, ooh, that would fill my soul with joy. But yeah. Duolingo. Damn, I've been. They're trying to treat me like a minute. They're trying to turn me down. I'm walking around my skinnies. I'm sailing around down. They had to calm down. Think I'm dramatic. Nigga shot down. Die down. Got down. Had nobody around. Okay, had no thotty around. Plus nigga gon' bail out. When I was balling, I had to go sell out. And I was standing my ground. Had nobody around. I got caught. I had a deadly weapon. I had a Smith & Wesson, but I got caught. Ooh, we had this near this previous higher low. I could definitely see it going green, but I could also definitely see it doing the other thing, because we also near this, and we got this double bottom right here to potentially start creating some consolidation in this area to then do something like this, or something like this, or something like this. Damn, I've been in there trying to treat me like a minute. They're trying to turn me down. But yeah, I don't know how to reply to a message on here from the chat directly. But yeah, I don't know what you mean by where you been. So I'm here every day on the weekdays. I'm here every day, my boy. Weekly. Yeah, it might stall out a bit or something, but I could definitely see it on the next screen. I could definitely see it just going green like crazy. What's Pan W doing? Oh my God. Oh my word. Yeah, we back up there. Oh my word. You trying to go stupid on me. I might get out at the 2 hour if we surpass this. If the 2 hour come past this, I might just get out all the way. But boy, that's going stupid. It's going dumb. Let me check these. NCD cash still going dumb. We didn't get that pullback like I wanted. Ooh boy. Boy would have been blessed with some dollars. But it's all good. It's all good. Be more opportunities. That ain't gonna be the only one. Fast, they don't even move like that. So I'm gonna just keep it pushing on that one. SMH. Doop. Left head, potential right shoulder. Then create consolidation and yeah, do this right here. It looks like we're at this right here. This very moment right here. Looks like we're right here. So I'll wait for like a pullback to somewhere up in here. Somewhere in this area. Wait for some green. And then potentially start looking at buys. Potentially. Damn, my business, they're trying to treat me like a minute. They're trying to turn me down. Hey, yo. Yeah, I'm not interested. Not interested. We're at the bottom of all this. Could start seeing some, I'm gonna wait for the sale opportunities to start coming. You know what I'm saying? Then get in that thing. But I like the way this will move. I like how I like the consolidation of this one. Because I feel like it's not as random. It's more like, all right, we about to turn. Shoot, doop, 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 doop. All right, we about to start turning, my boy. Shoot, doop, doop. All right, my boy, we about to start turning now. Shoot, doop, doop, doop. All right, my boy, we about to start turning now. Shoot, doop. It kind of shows you what it want to do. You know what I'm saying? So, bam. QQQ. Doing what Spy do. And just all that do. And Monster, the last but not least. Going green on me. I like to see a pullback though. Weekly, 3-day. Yeah, I'm gonna need to see a pullback for sure. The 3-day always pull back. So I'm gonna need to see a pullback. Pullbackerton. That probably what it's starting to do. Probably about to might create a double bottom right here to then come up. If it do that, yeah, I'm on your noggin for next week. I'm on your noggin. Oh, look at it trying to stop at the woo. The 4 hour look crazy. 2 hour though. Decent. Monster. And that's it. Now let me go back and look. Why is this on here? Why I got this on here? And why I'm on the 15-minute? Creating a double bottom. Double bottom could potentially be doing this right here. Yeah. But I'm gonna exit that one out. And yeah. But that's my little analyses for the next, you know what I'm saying? DJPY having to pull back. Oh yeah, that's ooh, I've been waiting on it. I've been to had this I've been to had this freaking will it tell you when I put it on there? Expiration. Nah, it don't tell you when I put it on there. But I've been to had this notification on here for like 3 weeks now. Like 3 weeks, bro. Waiting on this pullback. Hey, I'm finna slap it. We get it through, man. We come up there. I'm slapping it. I'm slapping it, bro. I'm slapping it. I'm slapping it. But yeah. This would be AUDCHF. Now had a pullback. Ooh, what's this? The last 4 hour. Bam. Oh, I might get into this. We had this near this previous high low. What's the daily looking like? Daily. Let's see where the daily want to go. We got 5 hours left. I don't know. We might not have that much time. The 8. Oh yeah, the 8 show it good. 8 hours show it good. We get a green push. We get a green push somewhere in here, or if the 8 hour finish green, I'm definitely going. I'm buying in possibly, because also at the same time we are near this. We are kind of near this previous. We are near this right here. Could potentially just came down just to start create this right here to go red, then come back down and go. You know what I'm saying? Start. Because it is mostly a red. Like, yeah, this bit mostly be red. So, I would, you know, looking at the weekly, I would actually change my little. I will wait, bro. I will wait. I will wait. But I'm gonna wait. I'm gonna be waiting though. I'm gonna be looking at that 8 hour for sure, and the daily. But yeah, that's everything, man. I'm gonna go ahead and end it here, man. Shoot, appreciate you for watching, my boy, or girl, whichever one. Oh no, you definitely my boy, Otto Man Jr. Appreciate you. Or if it's somebody else watching right now. You know what I'm saying? Catch you on the next one, bruh.